smaller hammer for us, Kevin?
What is it? It's stuck, obviously.
It's coming. Sitting there, dude.
All right.
Yeah.
A little too close.
I don't know why the front just keeps pulling out of this thing. It's honestly pretty damn close to the same thing that happened, for the reason it happened in New Jersey. But,
Oh.
no, just, yeah.
Bro, it's been like this every time.
It wasn't that bad though.
But I know, looking at the wheels, that it's been like this. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Can you just pull the bed back? You're out of gear, right?
Yeah, I think it's out. I don't see it.
I'm guessing he's still toast. This is gonna be interesting. All right, well, at least it's only part of the track.
Yeah.
This is highly ineffective.
Y'all good for us? Yeah, just hurt my feelings a little. I don't know what the hell happened. Like, I didn't get the initiation flick right, and then I don't know, I tried to make it a correction. I shouldn't have tried to make a correction. I should have just rode the lower line, and trying to make a correction on that bank at that speed's not a good idea. So
Yeah.
hopefully we get her sorted out for the next run.
Don't look too bad.
No, it doesn't look too bad. A couple control arms, couple wheels, should be okay.
All right, watch yourself. In case that strap lets go.
What's that?
In case that strap lets go. I don't want him to run you over if the strap breaks.
Oh, it's all tilted.
All right, guys, I gotta start your 5.
While he's hammering, you push that boat in.
Right.
That was a little close, huh?
that belt off. Put the blower belt on.
1 minute.
I need the other half 9/16.
Rich, what's the blower about 14 inches. Here, accessory belt. How does it go? Don't worry about it. How long?
Sorry, I thought maybe the chakras were stripped right on it.
Right.
It's cool too.
Oh, all right. Well, good enough. All right. Looks like it just fell to the locks. No, just hit to the locks, yeah, but hard. He pushed you across the finish or what?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
I tagged the wall on this side, kind of barely slowed me down, then he was coming in anyway.
Yeah, because that's...
What?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, every run, dude. God, this sport's fun. Man. I had that bumper for 3 years. It was bound to get damaged.
That's right. 3 years on a drift bumper is...
Yeah,
that's a long, long
Very,
life.
long life.
Yeah. She doesn't sound happy.
It started happening right when he hit me. Like, he hit me, and then it just started losing power or something.
Oh, wow. That was coming off the bank?
That was like in the bank, like right before the end.
Wow. Yeah, because we couldn't tell until it sounded like you were getting to the inner clip because we can't see it.
Yeah.
And it was just like,
Yeah.
like, ooh.
I downshifted too, just trying to make it through, but
Yeah.
He's saying there was contact. Korner
Yeah.
said he did not touch him at all, and I didn't see anything on the live stream either. So I don't know if you want to play that back and look at it. but
No,
there was
I guess they already declared fault and they said it was Forrest's fault. You have to have your spotter ask. I don't know. Nah, I'm just going off with radio. I can't see anything.
If that wheel's bent, are we able to replace tires?
Towed out, so definitely got hit.
Yeah. Oh, because he said the steering wheel's crooked, so I thought he was saying it was the front.
Yeah, I think the car is driving like this.
Ah, copy. Okay. Yes. Then change both, and let me find their guy. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Well.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna change tires.
Okay. They're changing tires because that wheel got a ding on it.
I
So.
didn't think I hit him. That's why I wanted to like watch the video, and then Nick showed me the video, and I did like just touch him.
Oh, okay.
I was like, wait, I didn't touch him, but I didn't feel it. So.
Yeah. He came back and he's like, my steering wheel's crooked, so I want to check it. And I was like, all right, whatever.
A little more. Right there. Walk that down. Cool.
All right, move your tapes.
Go get him. Go get him.
Chaos as always.
Go get him.
Finger feeling all right?
It's all right.
Probably didn't help much.
That didn't help at all.
Let's autograph this for me before I take it home.
Yeah, someone was like, "Hey, it's mine now." I said, "Yeah."
I figure you probably wanted that before a fan walks off
Oh,
with it.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. The media camera.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, go.
Be careful, if it's under pressure, you don't want to take it off. Crack the line. Crack the line. 3 minutes. Go. Got it. Got it, Shelby.
2 minutes, 45 seconds.
2:45.
They're on that desk. That's what it was called. You're fine.
tad bit high.
Well, yeah, I don't know what happened. Like, it just never, it got to where it got on the first run normally, and then never came, just kept climbing.
Oh, damn. You guys might have to call 5 on this.
Tell me when that has to happen.
I think it's going to be pretty soon.
Hammer it out.
I don't know, he grabbed an inner tie rod in, well, an inner and an outer. So I'm guessing they're going to change the tie rod in, but
Get it, Jack. Get that jack. Put it under.
taking the...
Tell me at the last second, and then I'll talk to Brian.
Well, I mean, they're going to call it. I'll just start it. Because it looks like it's going to be coming here soon. Once we have a winner on that one, I think they'll want it. No, they were adding gas right now. They were just going to realize, they were just rolling and they realized they didn't have fuel. So we are done now and have to go down. Let's go, boys. Whatever. We're on a full switch right now, right?
Time, yeah.
Well, you don't have those, right?
Yes or no? Can I run the hood? Yes or no?
Just leave it off.
Take the hood off. We can take the hood off. Debbie, take the hood off.
All right, I'm letting him pull the hood off because the front 2-pin mounts are broken off of the bar. They're removing the hood because the mounting locations that hold the hood pins are broken off. What you looking for? Did you find James?
He may have gone in the trailer.
Because he's third place, so we can drive his car out there once it's done.
Okay, let me go get him from right now.
Well, as soon as we have a winner for that, so it could be like a minute.